Hey, contractors, landscapers, and small business owners. Have you ever been on a job site, turned around, and thought, where did my tools go? Or maybe something just broke right when you needed it most. If your gear is essential to your business, then you know the struggle is real. But what if I told you that there's a simple way to protect your equipment and keep your business running smoothly? Wouldn't you want to make sure your tools are covered anytime, anywhere? If you're nodding yes, then stick around because, in this video, I'm walking you through step by step how to get tools and equipment insurance right here in the US. Alright, let's jump right in. Tools and equipment insurance is crucial for anyone who works with, well, tools. Whether you're in construction, landscaping, plumbing, or another industry that relies on specialized gear, this type of insurance will protect you from theft, damage, or loss. To get the insurance from the best-rated insurance company, check out the link in the description box below. Step 1. What is tools and equipment insurance? So, what exactly is tools and equipment insurance? Simple. It's a type of coverage designed to protect your essential gear. If your tools are stolen, lost, or damaged, this policy steps in to help you repair or replace them so you're not stuck paying out of pocket. Imagine this. You're at a job site, and someone breaks into your trailer in the middle of the night, stealing your most expensive tools. With this insurance, you're covered. The best part? It covers your tools wherever they are, on the road, in your vehicle, at a job site, or even in storage. And if you're already carrying general liability insurance, you can easily add tools and equipment coverage as an option. Step 2. Who needs it? If you bring your own tools to different locations to get the job done, this insurance is for you. We're talking about professionals like contractors, landscapers, plumbers, HVAC techs, electricians, and janitorial services. Pretty much anyone who depends on their gear to run their business. From power drills and blowtorches to ladders, workbenches, and even safety gear, if it's essential to your business, it's essential to protect. Step 3. Why is it important? So why is this insurance so important? Imagine having to replace a stolen compressor or buy a new concrete saw because yours broke down unexpectedly. Without insurance, all of these expenses fall on you. But with tools and equipment insurance, you get financial help to replace or repair your gear. Think about it, if your tools are stolen from a job site, you can't get back to work until you replace them. That downtime? It costs you. But insurance can get you back up and running fast. Step 4. What does it cover? Let's talk about what's covered. With basic tools and equipment insurance, you're protected if your equipment is stolen or damaged, whether it's in your trailer, vehicle, or at a job site. It even covers employee tools and clothing. Say your employees' power tools are damaged at a job site due to a leak, you're covered. And if you borrow equipment from another contractor, higher levels of coverage like Select Pro or Pro Plus will even cover that. Step 5. What isn't covered? Now, as much as it covers, there are a few things it doesn't. Things like corrosion, rust, or wear and tear won't be included. That old, rusted power cutter you've had for years? Nope, not covered. Same goes for rental equipment. You'll want to get insurance through the rental company for that. Step 6. How much does it cost? Okay, let's talk dollars. How much does tools and equipment insurance cost? It's actually pretty affordable. Basic coverage can start at just $12.50 a month. If you need more coverage, like the Pro or Pro Plus levels, it can go up to around $45 a month. And that's not much when you think about the cost of replacing your tools out of pocket. Step 7. How to get tools and equipment insurance. Now, here's the fun part, how to get started. It's super easy and only takes about 10 minutes. You just need to answer a few basic questions, like what industry you're in, where you do business, how many employees you have, and a little bit about your claims history. Once you fill that out, you'll get an instant quote with different coverage options. You can choose the one that fits your business and get your certificate of insurance right away. Yep, it's that easy. So, If your business relies on tools and equipment, don't leave them unprotected. With tools and equipment insurance, you're covered wherever you go. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.